Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys. I am happy you're here. I haven't been talking too much on my videos lately because the room that I'm painting in has a bit of an echo and I don't know why. I put a carpet down, I've got 3 work tables, I've got canvases against the wall, so I've got my little stool sitting behind me that has wheels on it so I can roll all over the place, but I don't know. But we'll work on it. But I did get my lights. We brought back some stuff from our storage unit in Hilton Head Island and I got my lights. So the shadow is gone and I'm very, very excited about that. But I haven't been talking too much on the videos because of the echo and I don't want to annoy you. I also have not been putting out as many videos as I would like. I've been stockpiling them. I got about 13 of them to share with you because our internet after 3 weeks is still not hooked up, and every time I edit a video and try to download it, I actually have to go to the Kroger's grocery store and sit in a little corner by the pharmacy and use their internet to do it. So just hang with me, more's coming at you, and I'm probably gonna blast them at you as soon as the internet gets hooked up because I've been doing some really fun things with my black and white series. So let's talk about what we're doing today. We are working on a reused canvas. I did a swipe and it just wasn't working for me. And this has been dry for almost 3 weeks now. It's a 20 by 20 canvas. I'm going to be doing a traveling ring pour. I'm going to do a couple of traveling ring pours on a black canvas. Our base coat is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. Not that I need to show you the bottle, but I'm going to anyways. Good paint, buy on sale at Michael's or buy the bulk, and it brings it down to about $5.30. Go to the pro shop on michaels.com. Yummy color. I got some goldens in the mail and this girl was beyond excited. The Q word, guys, golden fluids and the nickel azo gold, one of my absolute faves. Right here, yummy goodness, Decoart Americana Metallics in the 24 karat gold. Let me go ahead and show you the consistency of our paints. All these paints are mixed to the same consistency. Our pouring medium is mix pour, but what I do is in the bottom of my little 4-ounce cup, or is that a 3-ounce cup? I don't know. In the bottom of my cup, I fill it till I can't see the bottom anymore with my GAC 800. Then I add my paints to it, stir that up real good, and slowly start to add my mix pour to get it to the consistency that I want. Now, a lot of people say to me, Kathleen, what's in that mix pour of yours? This is not my mix pour. This was made by a talented lady, Sweet Krista, talented artist. She invented the mix pour, and you can get it by emailing her, Krista8974@gmail.com. That is the only email I know by heart other than my own. Thank you, Krista. Right here, more yummy goodness. Golden fluid acrylics in the turquoise. This took a little more mixed pour because it's a fluid paint and I needed to thicken it up to match the others. This is just more of our Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. Now my base coat's a little bit thinner because I'm going to flood the canvas in some spots, do my ring pour, flood the canvas in other spots. So it's a little bit thinner. This is a fun color right here. I was just fiddling and playing with some leftovers. That is a combination of Decoart Metallics in the crystal green, Decoart Extreme Sheen Yummy Goodness in the aquamarine, and Decoart Americana Mermaid's Tail. Wonderful, wonderful paints, wonderful, wonderful price. Hear me, Decoart, these are too darn small. We need bigger bottles. Please, I go through them too much and I hate using up all that plastic. So there you have it. What else do I need to tell you about? Well, I'm happy, I'm well, and enjoying palm trees around me and enjoying this wonderful room that I am so grateful for to paint in. And I think that's about it, guys. I'm glad you're here. Let's put some tunes on. Oh, another thing, my tunes. I haven't been able to download any of the copyright-free music from Epidemic Sound that I use. So last couple of videos you've been listening to the same songs, but I think it's a good song. Let's get busy, guys.